Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Daily Tips with Asma. Today we will tell you what is the meaning of Linda. Linda is one of the girl's name. Linda is the Christian name. The origin of the name Linda is of Latin origin. 4 is the lucky number for Linda name girls. According to experts, girls named Linda are very kind. Linda name meaning is wise and beautiful. Lucky days for people with name Linda include Wednesday and Friday. Green and yellow colors are suitable for Linda. Aquamarine is the lucky stone for Linda name girls. Lucky metals include copper and bronze by number. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.